Hey traders, I'm feeling so pumped right now. Ondo is up 5% this week, sitting around $0.26, and that strong 24-hour volume has me absolutely buzzing. I can't stop thinking about it. Are we finally seeing the start of a bullish move, or is this just a trap? It's so exciting wondering which way it'll go. We just shared our latest Ondo price prediction on Patreon, and I'm thrilled about it. Key support levels, targets, everything you need. If you're curious, the tester plan is just $10, and it's such a fun, simple way to see if it matches your trading style. I love that feeling of digging into something new. Link is in the description. And remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice.